Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and permissions are ready. Plug in if needed and use an admin account. Once done, reboot and run the built-in network troubleshooters to collect immediate errors. Check the physical wireless toggle or FN key combo. These often override software. Make sure airplane mode is off and that Wi-Fi/Bluetooth are enabled in system settings. While the tools run, note any error codes or messages. They guide the next driver and hardware checks you'll perform. Next, focus on drivers and firmware because grayed out controls usually mean a driver or firmware issue. In Device Manager, uninstall the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapters, then scan for hardware changes to force reinstallation. If that fails, download the exact OEM drivers using the device model or hardware ID from another computer and install them offline. Also verify BIOS or UEFI wireless settings. Sometimes radios are disabled at firmware level, so reset radio-related options or update BIOS if a vendor fix exists. Finally, complete resets and isolate hardware problems. On Windows, perform a network reset and restart. On Mac, do SMC or PRAM resets and recheck radios. If the controls stay grayed out, test with a known good USB Wi-Fi or Bluetooth dongle to determine if internal hardware failed. Make sure to save system logs and device error codes before contacting support because they speed diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works after driver and firmware steps, boot a Linux Live USB. If radios work there, it's a software issue. If not, likely hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.